Okay, I got both Unreal Engine 5.3 and 5.4 installed. 5.3 here running the version 1, and then 5.4 version 2. Go run version 1 first. Alright, version 1, I'll just click play. On the device, this is click it. Yeah, it just opens YouTube. Yeah, all that this looks like version 1. Yeah, version 1 didn't have blueprints. I thought it did, but yeah, I did. It don't. Alright, that's version 1. Unreal Engine 5.3. Version 2. Unreal Engine 5.4. Now this is from a fresh install, because I actually changed something to get to that map earlier. And now I have the same settings I changed and I couldn't get it back. So I literally had to reinstall this like a couple times making this video. So now it's just a fresh, clean install, nothing changed except I turned autosave off and bloom off. Okay, now it loads me here. And if I click player, it's under the map, so I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. So it's probably why it looks dark when I click start. But right here it said change game mode to dev for instant spawning, which is what I did last time, and again got me that menu, but now it didn't seem to work when I did it like earlier. So I don't know what this is, but yeah, I can go to all this character, change all that stuff. Even though spawn shows it way down there, it still spawns here, so yeah, I'll talk about that. Change game mode, but this is quit it. No blueprint errors, no errors. Now it's said to do this. Right here, change game mode to dev for instant spawning. Uh, game mode, dev, default pawn class maybe. I don't know, I just changed it to dev like I said. Click start. but it still shows free for all, and still now it's still loading me here. So now for some reason it's not getting me back to that menu screen. Player controller. Default podcast. Yeah, now it's not even giving me the menu, and this is exactly. Oh no, I think this was on main menu. Now this is how it was from the video I loaded on. I posted, and it's not even taking me there now. So I don't know. Yeah, now I don't know what's going on. It's not even giving me to the menu now. When this is, if you look at the screenshots that I posted, this is exactly how I had it. But now for some reason, it's not even loading me in there. And I guess it's stuck on free for all, but yeah, I don't know what's going on now. Try not to make this video long. I wasn't expecting this. I did a fresh install to show you what it was from the beginning, and now I can't even get back to where it showed that menu. When I looked at the screenshots, and this is exactly how I had it. It's the only thing I changed. Even changing anything else, it doesn't seem to matter. I'm still here. Now it don't seem to be changing nothing. So yeah, I don't know what's going on now. If I change anything, I'm still here. So yeah, I don't know what's going on now. But this is whatever problem I'm having. I'm having.